Are you using the full potential of your marker? Let's break it down really quick. Simple marking, color marking, engraving, 3D engraving, ultra mega micro engraving, cleaning, working with metal, ceramic, plastic. I don't have enough breeds to name. This is Wattsan, I'm Leo, and today I will show you how to unlock 100% of your marking machine's power. A lot depends on the lens you are using and the power output. Combine these two wisely and you can totally change what the machine can do. Right here, I have got the Wattsan FLTT 20 watts version. Let's see what buttons we need to press to activate the combos of our fighters and send the material, or maybe our competitors, who knows, into the knockout. Marking is what laser markers is made for. The laser move at speeds up to 7,000 mm per second, creating the images by changing only the surface color. The result is durable and high contrast. That's why one of our machines was even sent to Antarctica to mark equipment there with the labels that can survive polar conditions. Also, your marker can generate QR codes, barcodes, date and time, and more. Alright, here is the menu. And the coolest part, your machine can even do color marking. That's done with hatch settings. With the right configuration, you can get the result like this. By the way, we made a separate video about color marking. Check it out here. Your marker can go deeper too, literally. For this, you will need either a universal lens like a 200x200 or smaller one. For the best result, I recommend a smaller field, something like 100x100mm or 75x75. As for the settings, you will need to tweak them depending on your material and length. If you run multiple engraving passes, you can go really deep. The time it takes depends on your settings and how deep you want to go. For example, speed 1800, power 40%, frequency 40 kHz is around 1 hour. Speed 2500, power 95%, frequency 45 kHz, it's around 15 to 20 minutes. More passes, more dips. With around 100 passes, you can reach up to 5mm dips on stone, but of course, it all depends on the material. Another big thing to consider in deep engraving is focus. Since you are removing the layer by layer, you will need to adjust the focus over time. Usually about once every hour, lower the focus manually. Oh, and by the way, we can make a 3D module marker for you. It auto-adjusts the focus super handily if deep engraving is your main gig. Let's say you want to engrave something tiny, like a hidden Easter egg. Yes, your marker can do it too. That's thanks to the super thin laser beam of the FLTT, the UV marker has an even finer beams perfect for engraving diamonds and microchips. So what can the marker actually work with? It handles metals like stainless steel, aluminum, brass, plastic, both engraving and marking, leathers, stone, rubber, fabric, ceramic, and more. The FLTT has a wild material table, and with the MOPA or Q switch, the machine's capabilities go even further, like blackening or graving plastic at high speed. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or hit us up via Telegram or WeChat. We also offer full customer support and training. Our engineers will come to you and show how to work with the marker and any other equipment. This is Wattsan channel. I'm Leo. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye.